Hi there, future doctor or scientist. Have you ever taken a pill for a fever or used a cream for an insect bite and thought, how does this tiny medicine know exactly what to do inside my body? Well, today we're going to explore the world of pharmacology and drug development, two powerful branches of basic medical sciences that help doctors, nurses, and scientists save lives every single day. What is pharmacology? Pharmacology is the science of how medicines work. It tells us what a drug does inside the body, how much to give, how fast it works, and what side effects it might cause. It's like learning the language of medicine, how the drug and the body talk to each other. And what about drug development? Drug development is the process of creating new medicines, from the very first idea to the final tablet in your hand. It's a long journey that starts in a laboratory and goes through tests, trials, approvals, and safety checks before reaching you. Why is this so important? Because every time you take a medicine, for a cough, a headache, an infection, or even cancer, someone, somewhere studied pharmacology to make sure that drug was safe and helpful. And when new diseases appear, like COVID-19, drug development is how scientists race to create life-saving vaccines or treatments. This science literally saves millions of lives. What topics do students learn? Here's what future doctors, nurses, and researchers study under pharmacology and drug development. Drug action, pharmacodynamics. What does the drug do in the body? How does it fix a fever or stop a cough? Drug movement, pharmacokinetics. How does the drug travel through the blood? How long does it stay in the body? Side effects and safety. What could go wrong? How do we balance healing with safety? Dose and timing. How much medicine is too much? How often should we take it? Drug interactions. What happens when two medicines are taken together? Clinical trials. How are new medicines tested on real people before reaching hospitals? Regulatory approval. What rules and tests must a drug pass before it's allowed for patients? How do hospitals use this knowledge? Let's say a patient comes to the hospital with a heart problem. The doctor has to choose the right drug, the right dose, and make sure it doesn't clash with any other medications the patient is taking. That decision is based on pharmacology. In the background, scientists are constantly working on new and better medicines for diabetes, cancer, mental health, and so much more. In fact, many modern treatments, like chemotherapy, antibiotics, or antidepressants, wouldn't exist without pharmacologists and drug developers. Why should you learn this? If you dream of helping people through science, if you want to discover the next big cure, or even if you just want to understand how the medicines in your home work, pharmacology and drug development are the keys to that world. They turn chemistry into healing. They turn ideas into hope. Every pill you take, every vaccine you get, is the result of years of hard work by doctors and scientists who understand this subject. In our next videos, we'll explore real-life cases, cool discoveries, and how students like you can one day be part of this incredible field. Because in the science of medicine, healing starts with understanding. See you in the next video.